12 horsepower.
Really?
13 maybe?
Wow.
Yeah, wow.
Dad, don't get giants.
If you want.
What did you want?
He wants his brother to see this.
Is that your dad?
Yeah, this is my kid.
Lucky bastard. I have a father. Hey, what's your name? No, you tell me. I'm Coop with a K. K-O-O-P. Coop with a K. And I'm here to share the day.
There you go.
I didn't mean to scare the boy.
No, he's good. What do you think? You want to go around a couple more times?
No, I want to get your GoPro on. I'll do the little follow cam action or something. That'll be hilarious. You got a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
I don't do any of that.
Maple Street RC, check it out.
Nah, I don't RC anymore. I don't aircrafts and things. Does
I
it have a camera?
I got this on.
Oh, I thought it was going to be on that. Hold on, let me try and keep up. I haven't taken the jump yet, though.
Let me see. I think I gotta get turned around. We might want to go around this tree, and then, cause you gotta. I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah, I just follow him.
Oh, balls. You alright?
Well, is your rig all right?
Oh, it's just a bunch of plastic.
I landed on it.
As long as you're alright, dude.
Oh, no,
I can smell your clutch a little bit.
I think that was just me.
Your feet are good. No, it just spun out. It totally spun out.
And just out, I ran over it.
got
And
right-
I was
got-
like, boom, and that's what threw me up.
Got right under it. Sorry.
No, are you kidding me? Look. I'm
Yeah.
Coop with a K.
Yeah, you're good, man.
And you got to understand, you play like... No, that's from earlier. I was saving that.
Oh, sorry.
No, I didn't.
I'll put it back.
She flooded a little bit.
Yeah.
Like a carburetor bike does.
Come on, girl.
Why is the car still driving?
I'm kind of not.
No.
Oh, balls.
Yeah, something's going on here.
Give it a minute.
Hey, there's no big deal. Like I said, I hope you got some hilarious footage.
Oh, there goes my battery. No. Well, this has turned out to be a bad deal.
No, it wasn't. You don't understand. So, if I could even describe to you how many times I drove past here and I saw this track and thought, this thing is so fucking... But, whatever. I mean, I didn't mean to say fucking. I didn't mean to swear. But I assure you, I don't regret anything.
Good.
And I ain't gonna sue you or be an insurance risk.
It's,
asshole. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna be
I
an
didn't.
insurance
I didn't even think about that. But.
Just we got. Wow. And again, that's what made you cool.
Is your rod all right?
Hey, I don't. You gave me that.
I think it's all right. It's right there. I would imagine so, because it was just on its side, right?
That's cool. It was just flooded.
All right, so we'll get no more RC. You do your thing.
No, I'm out of here.
You don't want any more of this, right?
No, I'm good. Seriously, I'm on my way home. I just namaste.
We say God bless.
It's all right. My spirit bows to your spirit. God bless. RC track open rentals available?
Sometimes, yeah.
Oh, okay. I was wondering why it was so nice. Like, it's kind of a nice track.
Thanks, man. Well, thanks for stopping by, dude. That was awesome.
I mean, I literally.
That's like nothing cooler is gonna happen on this track.
No, that's not true. That's not true. It's gonna be awesome. And you know what? I think, understand that I saw your track for years, and I thought, what a nice track.
It is. It really is.
You used to run a Coleman bike on it.
Yeah.
Road bike.
Yeah. Someone stole it. I put it out for sale, and the sale sign blew away, and then it was gone.
You guys need a bike here?
No. Yeah.
Do you need any more bicycles?
No, we get enough. We're good.
Good?
Yeah. You're into two wheels though, huh?
I'm into any wheels and walking and fishing and shit.
Yeah.
I love being outdoors and I don't know, man.
Yeah.
I can't even explain myself.
It's too nice out, you know, to be inside is what it is.
Yeah. I agree.
Dude, thank you so much. That was cool.
Peace out, man. I'm gonna go up that way.
Yup, that's what it's for.
We only need a bicycle. A new one.
Feel free to go around a couple times. Hey, let's stay out of his way. Come on up here. Stay right there. Just stay right there. You stay right there. Just shh. Nice, I'm glad he's doing this. You gotta end on a good note, you know? Maple Street RC signing out. Subscribe right there. See you guys later.